Hello, Michael Tillinger here to tell you about our very special Women's Wellness Retreat, our very first event of 2026 between 29 January and 1st of February here at Stone Circle Lodge in Mpumalanga, South Africa, in Waterval, Boven or Emgwenya, in Mpumalanga, South Africa. We got three wellness professionals, three women's wellness professionals that will be sharing a host of knowledge and information and special workshops. We'll be focusing on things like detoxing. Detoxing is such an important thing in our world today, where we eat bad food and bad medicine and our bodies are full of toxins. How to detox, and focusing on hormonal issues, especially women of a certain age that are experiencing hormonal difficulties. Very important knowledge to have. We're going to have an apothecary workshop. Such an important and a very valuable knowledge to have and skills to have. Your own, to be able to blend and make your own medicinal healing products. Apothecary workshop. Sound healing. An amazing experience for those who have never experienced sound healing. One of the key frequency healing, natural frequency healing experiences you'll probably have. Sound healing workshop. We're going to be doing Chinese medicine. Learn all about Chinese medicine and how those can help you and how you can benefit from that. Then obviously the wonderful riverside yoga right here at the Elands River at Stone Circle Lodge. Yoga on the river's edge with a very, very special and experienced yoga practitioner. And then finally, for me, one of the most important and closest to my heart is the healing in the stone circles. After 17 years and hundreds of testimonials, how so many people have found healing inside the stone circle ruins. This is a very important thing to discover. How such a natural and automatic healing practice and healing experience can bring so much healing and wellness to you and to your family and to your loved ones. So I look forward to seeing you here. Go onto our website, stonecirclelodge.co.za, read all about it, get the details, and make your booking now before the end of the month and before it gets right up, creeps up to us. So I look forward to seeing you here at Stone Circle Lodge for the first event of 2026 between 29 January, 1st of February at the Women's Wellness Retreat. Until then, this is Michael Tillinger. Bye for now.